Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. We are from Group 4, the member of Group 4, namely myself, Ratna Dewi Isnaini, and my two friends, Cynthia Ristia and Arifa Septriana Brilianti. We are from class U14, Economic Education, Faculty of Economics, Yogyakarta State University. Here we will review journal with the theme of externality. The journal title we review is The Impact of Urban Freight Transport and Mobility on Transport Externalities in the SPMR. This journal is published in 2020. The author of this journal are Henry P. Ebang, Jose Geraldo Faidal Vieira, Jane Fraso, and Maristela Alves Pereira. Okay, let's get started and enjoy it. Research background. Number 1. Investigate urban freight transport and mobility in the Sao Paulo Metropolitan Region or SPMR and its impact on transportation externalities. Number 2. Analyzing the increase in traffic congestion, traffic accident or incident, pollutants, and lack of security which are thought to be negative externalities as a result of increased demand for public and urban freight transport in the Sao Paulo Metropolitan Region or SPMR. Next, the problem in this journal. Problem in general. Irregular population growth in the metropolitan areas, particularly the Sao Paulo Metropolitan Region or SPMR, has contributed to the increasing demand for public and urban freight transport. As a result of this increase in demand for public and urban freight transport, an increase in traffic jam, traffic accident or incident, pollutants, and lack of security due to rampant theft of cargo. These four things are negative externalities for the city center and the periphery. In the central area, there are traffic jam and pollutants, while in the suburbs there is often cargo theft, which indicate that security is lacking. Urban facilities to the outskirts of the city actually contribute to increased externalities. Research question. Number 1. How the urban goods transport and mobility in the metropolitan area of Sao Paulo or SPMR and how it impact transportation externalities. Number 2. Where cities are most affected by externalities. And number 3, what goods transport is inefficient and has a significant negative contribution to occupancy due to congestion, local pollution, traffic accident or incident, and cargo theft.
Research purpose. The purpose of this journal is to know urban freight transport and mobility in the Sao Paulo Metropolitan Region (SPMR) and its impact the transport externalities. In this journal, it explained that externalities as congestion, traffic accident or incidents, and pollutants. Result might provide insight for public policies regarding specific externalities. Research methods. This methodology uses multiple secondary data from the SPMR as follows. First, the latest origin-destination survey from the Metro Company, Metro 2018. Second, cargo OD survey to investigate freight urban mobility from the Sao Paulo Traffic Engineering Controller, SET-SP SET 2017C. 3. National Demographic Database ABGE 2017. 4. Traffic Congestion Database from the CETSP. 5. Database regarding freight composition DENATRAN 2017 and gas emission CETESP 2017 per type of car and pollutant types for each city. 6. Database with 90 observations related to traffic accident or incident in main street and avenues, also from CET-SP CET 2018A. This journal used multivariate linear regression modeling in which we attempted to draw the impact of urban mobility, people and cargo, as an independent variable and its externality, congestion, gas emission, and traffic incident or accident as a dependent variable. In order to discuss the impacts, we standardize all variables which in turn reduce the multicollinearity. Analysis tools. Analysis using the software R version 3.4.3 and QGIS software version 2.18.14. Location of the research. This research is located in Sao Paulo.
Conclusion. The impact of urban freight transport and mobility on transport externalities in the SPMR examines urban freight transport and mobility in the Sao Paulo Metropolitan Region or SPMR and their impact on transportation externalities. Irregular population growth in metropolitan areas provides negative externalities including traffic jams, traffic accident or incident, and pollutants. Congestion and pollutants in central areas hamper the distribution of goods to the periphery areas. The number of light freight vehicles contributing to traffic jams. Private cars also contribute. The more mobility of light vehicles for delivery of goods and private cars, the more pollutants will increase. Population growth and motorized vehicles in poor areas also contribute to the increase in traffic accident or incident. In this study, the number of cargo trips contribute positively to the increase in congestion and gas emissions, but passenger trips only contribute positively to congestion. Meanwhile, cargo trips and passenger trips had no impact on the number of accidents in the city of Sao Paulo. Policy recommendations and research suggestions. This research hopes to provide additional literature, insight, and some consideration for decision-making by the government and the private sector in making public policies that aim to tackle congestion, traffic accidents or incidents, and pollutants, controlling gas emission for vehicles. In this journal, the writers can provide several solutions. These solutions include the provision of more adequate public transportation, the use of alternative fuels other than fossil fuels, for example with electricity, planting anti-pollutant crops, expanding and repairing roads. Critique. Positive. This journal is excellent at providing a wealth of information on urban freight externalities and mobility in transport. This journal is also easy to understand because it uses simple language and data delivery. Negative. This journal has not mentioned solutions to resolve urban freight transport externalities and mobility in transportation. Finish. That's all from our group. If there is any question, you can ask by writing your question in the comment column of this post. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.